Welcome back, everyone, and today we're over at the Polynesian Village Resort. Now, this is another fantastic resort. Unfortunately, one I have never actually personally stayed at, but I've visited here many times. Usually it's either to get some pressed pennies or to visit Ohana, which is one of my all-time favorite restaurants here on property. So I heard a rumor that there is another new machine here, so that's where you know we're headed. Hopefully, maybe, I don't think we can get into Ohana, but if not, second best, we're gonna stop by the Pineapple Lanai and we'll grab ourselves a Dole Whip after successfully collecting another set of new pressed pennies. So why don't you come along with me, we'll grab some pennies and we'll indulge in a Dole Whip at the very end. It's Dole Whip time. Thanks for joining me, guys. Take care, and as always, keep on pressing.